This reading is for Virgo Sun Moon Rising. This is your energy update, May 1 to 15, 2026. So let's see the energy. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or sa comment section. Okay, let's see Virgo. What is the energy? May 1 to 15 for Virgos. Oh, healing. Virgos are natural healers. So, maaring iba sa inyo, merong focus of your career, especially if you are in the medical field or nasa healing kayo, healing field, spiritual healer, ganyan. This can also mean healing from your past. And yung snake, it symbolizes rejuvenation. Yung bang, di ba, nagpapalit-balat yung mga ahas. So, it's like a rebirth for you. Like a brand new you. Kasi finally, you are healed. Finally, ikaw ay naka-move on na. So, kung ito yung may kinalaman sa kalusugan nyo, kayo ay gumagaling na. Okay? You are focused on healing. Especially physically, no? Pwede rin mentally, emotionally. Let's see what else. Okay, wait lang. For Virgo. Compassion. This is about your care, your love for someone else or para sa sarili mo rin. So, I think part ng healing process mo is having compassion sa'yo, sa sarili mo. Na you're not being hard on yourself. Kasi minsan, tayo rin yung nagbibigay ng pressure sa sarili natin eh. 'Di ba? But this time, you know better. You care more about yourself. You take care about yourself and also the people around you. Overall energy ng mga Virgo, the Magician, you are in your element. Magician is also an energy of Virgo. So this is someone na maraming skills. Ano siya eh, magician nga eh. Marami siyang kakayanan. So some of you, maaaring meron kayong mga minamanifest na mangyayari ngayong first half ng May. Or you are going to manifest something na finally will, kumbaga magte-take action ka na hindi mo na lang siya iniisip. At magtitiwala ka na sa sarili mong kakayanan. Some of you, this is also about embracing your talents, your skills, your abilities of who you really are. What is your challenge? Anong challenge ng mga Virgo? The Page of Wands. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay may travel ngayong first half ng May, you may experience some challenging situation like delays or cancellations ng flights, yung bang tipong hindi matutuloy. But always remember, kung ma-experience nyo man yan, it's a protection sa inyo. No? Huwag na kayong magpaka-stress sa mga bagay na hindi nyo naman kontrolado. Okay? And also, as a challenge, ito rin yung kung paano ka magte-take action doon sa mga goals mo. So, if you really believe in yourself, then wala kang dapat ipag-alala. Now, your opportunity. What is the opportunity for Virgo? The Ten of Cups. Oh, you have the opportunity to be with your family, have fun, enjoy, feel happy. Some of you, this is about having a child. Pwedeng ikaw yung manganganak or yung asawa mo. Just take what resonates, or having more time with your loved ones. Yung mga taong hindi mo nakikita ng mga dalas, you will have more time with them, mga loved ones mo. This is also a celebration of life. Pwede rin meron ditong reunion sa family. Now, your blessing. What's the blessing for Virgo? Oh, Two of Cups. As a blessing, maaring relationship ito na blessing para sa'yo. The person that you're dealing with is someone talaga na who cares about you, who loves you, you are feeling love, you are feeling taken care of. So some of you naman, this can be a partnership, like a business partnership, or something that you will celebrate kasi finally nangyari na yung minamanifest nyo. It's like a celebration. Okay, let's see the energy ng iyong kaperahan. Money, career, finances for Virgo. You have the Hermit. This is also your energy. So when it comes to your money, you are very careful in spending your money. Maaring ang may mga sources of income ka na hindi mo na pinapaalam sa iba. You just, kumbaga sinasarili mo na lang. This is also self-reflection about your priorities in your money, in your career. Ano ba yung unahin mo? Sino bang mas importante? Ano yung dapat mong gawin? Okay? And definitely, magkakaroon ka rin naman ng clarity dyan. If merong magulo or may pinagdedesisyonan ka. Especially if you want some changes in your career, business. So, sa love life naman, the Star, wow. Sa love life ninyo, maaring you feel loved. You feel na fulfill yung iyong wishes pagdating sa relationship. If you are in a relationship right now, I also see healing. Kung nagkaroon kayo ng challenges with your partner or within the family, you are healing. This can also mean na mas marami kang pangarap para sa mahal mo sa buhay eh. Kumbaga, mas maraming nabubuo. Lalo na if you are, starting a family or starting a new relationship, you feel good about what you have right now sa relationship mo. And if you're single and you're manifesting a romantic partner, maaaring makikilala mo na siya ngayong first half ng May 2026. Okay, let's see the final message for Virgo. Your body deserves your love. That is true. I think yan yung healing, yan yung compassion. Ayan, your body deserves your love. You will take care of your needs. Whether you are single or in a relationship, mas maganda na inuuna mo yung sarili mo para meron kang pagmamahal na ma-share sa iba or care na ma-share sa iba. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.